Uma ukhona umuntu ekhaya ushiye ukuthi no, mina inwele ngiyingcwala lapha, mina ngiyalapha. So phatha abantu kahle bazotshela abanye. So in other words, uma uqabene ne-client eli-1, uqabene ne-family eyi-1 kahle kahle. Do you see this? So it's important. Tupperware parties are so successful because of word of mouth advertisements. Ubona ukubona advert e-Tupperware TV. Kodwa labo gogo laba ne nalabo aunt uzwa kancane bathi kune Tupperware party kwabantu bani baye bathi ama presentations bawabizana kunegama lakhona. Ama road shows. Ya khona abahlangana khona labo sisi baphuze ngamanye amaglass amade bawabanje not for ama plastic kube umcimbi oserious kabi ukuthi bathenga ikhaftini nezigubhu zamanzi. Tupperware. Well collapsile manje nizwila ngithi ukuthi wile. Isigubhu sakho sokugcina lesi. Ayisekho Tupperware. Ayisekho. Why is it out of business? Kunamanye ama company afikile njengalawo. Ufike leyo company inuka. Uyabona? Manengi khona inye company enga advertise babethi average lane. I don't know abomama bazoyazi nabanye abobaba average lane. Kwaya yaba nama competitors nayo kuleso space sayo. Yaqala yathi ya performance number 2 or number 3 yaba industry follower kanti beku industry leader. Uyabona? So I'm saying you can start very well uphatha abantu kahle bese uqala uba nemali bese uqala uyadelela. Money shouldn't change who you are. Mayingeni ihambe yohlala ebhange when I stay who you are. Uyabona? Right. So the success of these parties, the success of these parties, they say Tupperware does not rely on expensive advertising or door-to-door sales. It makes its profits from home-based sales parties. That's what they call it. Banama sales parties. Namhlanje siyakwamamdluli bizani bonke abantu bendawo bazobona bakwaTupperware bazodisplay ama-Tupperware. Bawabeke la. Kunabanye abafana abema emall kaningi. Bavele bathathe orange balifake kulento balethi bathi wenza ijuice quick. Lento ngizithenga zagcwala lapha mayifika isasebenza njoba bebengibona usala. Angisayifuni lezinto. This kind of gimmicks. Have you ever seen something like that? Ufika lapha emall manje bakugeza isicathulo manje ubhekile liteki uthi no ngiyayithenga lento keep 90 rand. Awufike nje usathi uthi take nix. Ikhona nje bathi waterless base yokugeza imoto. So the minute you lie when you sell and then asengedwa lento uthe iyayenza lento yakhe ayenzi, you're not selling a quality product ungirobhile and then izophela. Uyabona? Your question Mr. Igwe. Your input though.
Yeah, but mina into ngingayicapela especially like lama product yabo. Ukuze mhlawumbe ayehle. Mina ngangase kule indzawo but okay ngoba I cannot like mention the name njani. Yeah, so lapha say okay the t-shirts the quality corner was very powerful. But my demand look cooler. Yabo then banginciphisa.
The quality.
Yeah, the quality. Most people ngizo the color nale design everything is but the quality bengasafana.
Mass production.
Yeah, because like now like I said, things must to get straight. Then man just to create like hard man explain. Things must to get straight. But now what what is called to grab hela phone and
Sizi.
Yeah, sizi. Mhlawumbe siyabona must to benza khona kwathola kahle la isayinde kahle. Nengathola maybe because to very juice
So that affects the quality yakho man.
Yes, and then no actually was I la. Let me test. Where would I la?
Exactly. Don't change. But usually with companies, baqala kahle nomunye umuntu. Angithi usually told you when you are selling products, but somebody else probably is producing or doing something for you, your process or whatever. Makabona wenza imali ayiseka amakhapha ngale because uyabona imali kuyangena uthi hayi mfethu manje angisakuthengisela ikilo nge69 rand ikilo manje seku 110. So mawuqala uthi ubaleka kulo ukukhuphula iprice yakomunye uthola umuntu owes akumoshele manje akuthengisela ikilo nge45 rand nequality yakho izoba 12 rand manje. So it's a challenge. It's truly a challenge. So it's very much important. So the success of those parties then relied on the fact that people are more likely to buy when they feel it has been recommended by someone they know. By having a party at the house, the host is providing that personal recommendation for the community and the product. So bekasebenza kanjalo uTupperware.